Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Learn Tech Empowerment Program. This is a program that has been sponsored by Masha Creatives, and it's a program that is going to teach young individuals who are willing to learn tech skills. And this program is an empowerment program to the youth or to anyone or any young individual who is looking to learn new skills in tech. So hereby our facilitator is going to be Emmanuel Masha, the CEO and founder of Masha Creatives, and that is me right here. And in this program we are going to teach you how to be a graphic designer all the way from scratch. You do not have to be knowing anything in graphics and design. You do not have to be like, you're not even like, if you do not know to use any software in graphics design, don't worry, you are at the right place. So let's dive directly into our very first class, that is our orientation, whereby we are going to see what we are going to learn in this program. So about this program or our product is that this product is totally free. Nobody is going to ask you for any amount of cash, whereby you are going to learn graphics and design for totally free. Then whatever you're going to learn are new tech skills, whereby you're going to learn very new skills that are going to help you in this developing industry. Then the last thing that is very important is that you are going to start earning money. I know everyone, you are here to learn graphics and design so that you are going to be able to earn money. So that is very important. And whatever we are going to learn in this program, that is what you will learn in this program, is that you are going to learn how to create logos. That is a logo design. You're also going to learn how to do poster design. You're also going to learn how to do business card design. You're also going to learn flyer design, and all that is going to be taught to you right here for free. Then the softwares that we are going to use, the first software is Adobe Photoshop. Is one of the best and the greatest softwares that we have in the world right now. If you try to check like all applications or applications to graphic designers, you'll find that the requirement number one, the graphic designer should be well conversant with Photoshop. So Photoshop is one of the greatest and the best softwares that one can learn and be the best, and be a very good graphic designer. Another software is Adobe Illustrator. We are also going to learn Adobe Illustrator when it comes to logo design, since a logo is a vector illustration. So we need a vector illustration software that we are going to use to create logos, that is Adobe Illustrator. And again, welcome to this Learn Tech Empowerment Program. Graphic design class. You're going to learn graphics and design for totally free. So nobody's going to ask you for an amount. Just ensure you are here on time. Just ensure you follow the class as it says. Just ensure you follow all the instructions on the WhatsApp group that has been created. I know you have landed here, most of you, through the WhatsApp group. So ensure you are following all the steps that have been issued on the WhatsApp group step by step. Well, that is when you will be able to learn graphics and design and be able to be one of the best graphic designers. Another thing is ensure you do your assignments and ensure like you personalize yourself and understand exactly whatever you are being taught. In case of anything, just ensure you comment on the comment section if you do not understand or you need any clarification. Ensure you do that. So welcome to this. So this is our free 1-month online graphic design course. It's called Learn Tech Empowerment Program. It is totally free. So it is sponsored by Masha Creatives. You can check out mashacreatives.co.ke. Is one of the best graphic designers and website designers in Kenya. You can check their website. They do quality work, quality content. Just try and check them out. And one last thing is welcome.